What if I told you your phone already gives you access to free AI apps that can save you hundreds, sometimes thousands of dollars every year, but almost nobody uses them properly? In this video, you'll discover free AI apps that save you money, boost productivity, and replace expensive paid tools, starting today. And stay till the end because I'll show you how one simple AI combination can replace multiple subscriptions at once. AI app #1, ChatGPT, free version. Most people think ChatGPT is just for chatting or asking random questions. But the free version can replace paid writing tools, research services, and brainstorming apps. You can use it to write emails, resumes, scripts, blog outlines, study notes, and even personal budget plans. Instead of paying freelancers or subscribing to premium tools, this AI does the thinking for you. Example: need a professional email, a business idea, or a clear explanation of something confusing? Ask ChatGPT, and in seconds, it's done. And later in this video, I'll show you how to combine ChatGPT with another free AI to multiply your savings. AI app #2, Google Gemini. Google Gemini is like having a smart personal assistant, completely free. It helps you summarize documents, plan projects, answer complex questions, and explain difficult topics in simple language. Instead of paying for research tools, tutors, or online courses, Gemini gives you clear answers instantly. Example: confused about taxes, schoolwork, or business ideas? Gemini breaks everything down step by step. AI app #3, Canva AI, free plan. Canva's AI tools can replace graphic designers at zero cost. You can create social media posts, presentations, posters, thumbnails, and ads in minutes. The AI suggests layouts, colors, fonts, and designs automatically. No design skills needed. Example: instead of paying $20 to $50 for a single design, you create it yourself, free. This alone can save creators and small businesses a lot of money. AI app #4, Grammarly, free version. Bad grammar can cost you opportunities and money. Grammarly's free AI fixes spelling, grammar, and clarity instantly. You no longer need paid editors or premium writing tools. You just type and let AI clean everything up. Example: emails, job applications, school assignments, or blog posts, done professionally. AI app #5, Notion AI, free tier. Notion AI helps you organize your life, money, and ideas in one place. You can plan budgets, track goals, manage tasks, take notes, and even summarize information automatically. This replaces multiple paid productivity and planning apps. Example: instead of paying for planners, note apps, and task managers, Notion does it all in one dashboard. AI app #6, Microsoft Copilot. Microsoft Copilot is built into tools you already use, like Word, Edge, and other Microsoft apps. It helps write documents, summarize web pages, and answer questions instantly. There's no need to buy extra software or install extensions. Example: reading a long article or report? Copilot gives you the key points in seconds. AI app #7, Pictory, free trial strategy. If you create videos or content, this one is powerful. Pictory turns text into videos automatically using AI. Even on the free plan or trial, you can create professional-looking videos without hiring editors or learning complex software. Example: one script becomes multiple videos for YouTube, Shorts, and Reels. And this next AI category is where most people miss out completely. AI app #8, AI Budget and AMP, expense trackers. Free AI-powered budgeting apps analyze your spending habits automatically. They show exactly where your money is leaking and how to fix it. This insight alone can save you more money than discounts or coupons. Example: the AI tells you, you're overspending here. You adjust and save instantly. AI app #9, free AI resume and AMP, career tools. There are free AI tools that improve resumes and LinkedIn profiles. Better resumes lead to better jobs and higher income. You don't need to pay career coaches or expensive resume services. Example: AI rewrites your resume to match job descriptions automatically, increasing your chances of getting interviews. The big money-saving combo, don't miss this. Remember when I said one AI setup can replace multiple subscriptions? Here it is. When you combine ChatGPT plus Canva plus Notion, you replace writing tools, design tools, planners, and productivity apps, all for free. That's real money saved every single month. Final thought. Free AI apps that save you money aren't the future. They're already here. And now, you know exactly how to use them. The people who win with AI aren't the smartest. They're the ones who start using it early. Subscribe to WealthTech Insights for more videos about money, AI tools, productivity, and smart ways to build income.